We have been a part of an incredible journey of innovation and entrepreneurship organized by IHMR Delhi in collaboration with IHMR startups. From brainstorming real world healthcare challenges to designing our own impactful solutions and finally pitching our own startup ideas, we have really come a long way. So, let me take you through the voices of our fellow participants, in which they'll enlist their key takeaways and experiences from this amazing session. How did this experience change the way you look at healthcare innovation nowadays?
I think the bootcamp definitely enlightened me with a lot of ideas because healthcare is one of the booming industry and so is the innovation. So if one thing is combined with the other, I think we can cater to the people of India in a better way. Innovation can be like anything. It could be either product-based, service-based, app-based, and also we are living in the times of AI, so why not AI-based? So definitely I got to hear many ideas from everyone who attended this session and from the sir, the really great insight. How can I make my product better?
How does it feel like to be the winning team of the entrepreneurship and innovation based camp?
We feel overjoyed and grateful to be the winning team of Innovation Base Camp. It was kind of unexpected, but hard work paid off.
What are the biggest lessons or takeaway that you are going to carry forward from this experience to your real life?
This journey taught us the importance of teamwork, collaboration, adapting to changing circumstances, and the most important, never giving up. The experience taught us that we can take innovative ideas beyond this competition into the society and make a great.
So, how did you find this innovation and entrepreneurship based camp? And what was your main learning or the one experience that really stayed with you or intrigued your thought process?
So I really find it a very good initiative by HMR for the young students, for the young minds to explore and find their way. It is not necessarily always to go in for a job, but people have ideas, and this is a great opportunity to turn your ideas into a business model. So I really find it very, very, learning wise also, and otherwise also experience wise also.
Learning.
Yeah. And the different workshops or the different people who had come to give the lectures, that part is a very, very good experience for me because it gave me the insights of the industry and also the ecosystem.